Yes, my mail has I've received my mail today. So, if you want it, what's in it? Thinks it's a face mask. So this face mask, I purchased it on www.andeballentine.com, and you can purchase your customized mask with his artwork on it. So this is what I get I just received in the mail just now. So we are living in a serious time. The world has been changed because of the coronavirus, Covid-19 pandemic. So we all have to wear a mask to protect ourselves and each other. It's doing two things. You're protecting yourself and protecting each other. So I give Andy a support, and you all should give Andy a support as well, because we need this mask to protect ourselves. So this is my mask. Am I doing it right? Yes, so this is my mask with a piece of the Ballentine work on it. I purchased this face mask from andeballentine.com, and you can select any design, any drawing out of your mask. Support the movement, support the thing. Be a part of history by supporting Ballentine. It's a straw rodent, better known as logger bends. You hear that? Support the thing. Years from now, when we are talking about this time in history, you must be a part of it. You know, what did you do? What did you buy? Did you wear a mask? Where did you buy a mask? Who did you buy a mask from? Was your mask unique? Was your mask different? What was the value of your mask? You understand? This is history. Be a part of it. Support Ballentine. Remember, I say that and I tell her that. Ballentine, big up yourself. And do remember to check out my website, www.showironwebstore.com, and check out my YouTube channel, which is Best Jamaica Product and more. Support something. Be a part of history. Today will never be the same as tomorrow. Be a part of history today. Peace. Ballentine. Big up yourself.